Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening YouTube and confirming you are signed in. That ensures settings persist across devices. Tap or click your profile icon in the top right corner to open the account menu. Once the menu appears, look for the Appearance or Dark Theme option. On mobile, it may be under Settings, then General. Do this now so you can flip the setting immediately and make sure your app or browser is up to date to avoid missing the option. Next, enable Dark Theme from the Appearance section. This is the step that actually switches the interface. If you want consistency system-wide, choose Use Device Theme so YouTube follows your OS dark mode. Otherwise, select Dark Theme to force it just in YouTube. Once selected, the background, player Chrome, and menus switch to darker tones to reduce glare and save battery. Make sure to wait a second for the UI to repaint so you can verify the change. Finally, confirm the setting sticks by navigating between pages or restarting the app. Staying signed in syncs the preference to other devices. If dark mode does not appear, clear the browser cache or update the YouTube app, because stale files often block UI changes. Also, toggle your device dark mode if you chose Use Device Theme. Sometimes forcing the system theme off and on fixes it. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh account settings and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.